The only thing when we Nigerians care about each other in erection, especially men. If two men, they discuss. I know the last one, the quick come. 3 men from back when not be daughter, not be conductor, go your come outside. You don't try dirty water and mango seed.
FunnyBone Live.
Hola. They call me some of una clap, some of una not clap. As if na make cause confusion for country. About the country don't confuse me. Oh. Now this money I withdraw from my Access Bank. Now Eco Bank send me debit alert. Baba, I think na there reach until I mistakenly load my glow card for my MTN see me work. Na yellow greetings from MTN. You mistakenly load another network for our network, but anyway, half loaf is better than none. They got collect them, Baba. Country don't have though. For you to know, say country don't have. Now for all the pious now road safety thief my gala run. Don't look down on anybody. Now one cripple help me hold his leg. Baba, the country not be only normal man be they are fed. Now for us, I see one madman they complain now. He say, now wow, country don't have do. So person your past 10 does be no bread. Those days when dirty was dirty. Now why they advise young guys like me? If you know say you don't see money small now, try to save. Oh. One of my guy, when he get money, now so they lavish money, they spend money anyhow with the look on. The guy get money to the extent say he remove all his teeth, put gold teeth. When the guy broke, he start to sell his teeth one after the other. Yeah, we shocked. Now this morning we see say he don't sell all his teeth. We ask him why. He say, his teeth not really matter like that. Now tongue be the main thing. Baba. Hola. Everybody now that they do two business now. You know if you use one work, they survive. Which day, I see one policeman, they follow Nepa, you ladder. They ask her why they follow Nepa. I say, man, I live on that 2 working they do now. If you not cash person, you go cut person light. Baba. Now be only human being the thing they are fed. He entered the other world. Now yesterday night my spiritual wife asked me for transport. Yeah. Baba. When last year say which press person, they say they press you. No butcher of afternoon go fly for net. Now so they sent one from their kingdom last week make us suck my blood. To the glory of the Lord, that night I no wear shirt. Which look me, I look am. He look me, I look am. Small time now he say, Baba, me you see they eat vegetable. Baba, hola. Now why they talk? Even if say the country does one thing one will advise. If our leaders feel value life, say if they value the poor masses. Now why you both value life? Plants, animals, humans. More you all give example. If here now you both gathering now, why you both woman you deba. Hey. Wow. Yes, no, you get why you know say I be from Benin. Hope say na from your mind you spray me. Because for Benin, person when he spray me, the same person rob me. Hola, yes, as I was saying, you both the value life. Imagine say, yeah, now you both gathering now, one you both my your day back with the dog your faint. Wait till the yeah, we see doctor here, for dog go. Before you know it, 3 people won't be doctor, don't come outside. You say, my name is Bill Clinton, a veterinary, Jamestown Veterinary Hospital, New York. As I want to call another one, my name is McDonald, a veterinarian, Jamestown Veterinary. For dog. Before you know, they'll do some paramedics activities, make the dog for stay alive before they can go hospital. And if the dog can get some respiratory disorder, you know, if he breathe well, they'll do surgical operation there. You call the where is there any sharp object here? They'll bring knife or scissors. They'll cut the esophagus, bring out the trachea, come and say me for breathe well, abi. They nod their head as if what I talk correct. Or bad surgeon. My sister come out there with the cut neck. But where you for tell no say we Nigerians not like each other. You know say as these two people dey here now, they all dey one vomit. From one to tell the other say, are you okay? You jump baba na fana. The only thing when we Nigerians care about each other in erection, especially men. If two men they discuss, I know the last one, the quick come. 3 men from back when not be daughter, not be conductor, go your come outside. You don't try the tea water and mango seed. Hola. Baba. Before I continue, I beg you now help me. I beg please round of applause for FunnyBone. I beg. So in case you don't know, now you be the first person to book flights for me. From Benin to Abuja. Yes. Not be said for never enter flight. One enter flight last year for Benin Airport. Airplane one enter, they pull learner for the front. I mean, the house where they pull learner, they say a student pilot, they do IT. Baba, no jokes. Fear Benin, na Benin from come. Na first hotel he lodge me. Hotel, if you lodge hotel for Benin, I don't lodge hotel for Benin. If I lock door, TV go off. If I want shower, the room go dey shock. But if you say you don't want your fear Benin, fear the girls. The one when they rain for Benin women now to the tell men. Sir, as woman see you say you get money, go you tell you anything he ask you give her. One woman, she not ask question, she go tell me. She tell me with 250,000 last month. Now this money she dey complain, give me say she regret ever telling me. Now to tell me, or both say me brief 500,000. Since money they beg me, my borrow one to tell me, we die here, baby, I love you. Yes, I'll do that. I live. No jokes. Benin women, no. The one way you see the rate for them, to your post to they don't know before. Right, thanks for today. Yeah, see your big Kubana. 3 women don't post you for Benin today. Thank you, Zaddy, for today. Thank you, Zaddy, for today. Yeah, now so that they post who they don't know before. One girl, you go TikTok, screenshot one fan boy. You don't know before, post them for status. Thanks for today, baby. You made my day. You don't know, say the boy don't die last week. Now police, they look for her. Thank you very much. That's my time.
FunnyBone Live.